What you doing, boo-boo?
Taking my temperature, my recent temperature.
Your temperature?
Uh-huh.
What's it say?
It says 48,910.
48,910?
Uh-huh.
Okay, baby.
And then I gotta put it in there 5 minutes. And when it goes to 4 and this finger goes down, it will be done. Now just watch the numbers when it goes to this one.
Boo-boo, is it ready?
Check it if it is.
Let me see. I think it's ready.
Yeah, you're right.
I am?
Uh-huh. It is.
Well, are you going to be okay?
I think so.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, boo-boo. Where's those baby feet? Mama!
Can I eat them?
Brr.
Can I eat them?
Careful, careful, careful. Love you. Lay down.
Now you cannot eat my feet.
I'm gonna.
No.
I'm pretty sure that's what I'm gonna have for dinner.
No, you cannot eat
Oh
them.
yeah! Here comes the mama. Give me my feet, mama.